Hello viewers, welcome to Vrushuraj classes YouTube channel. Here we are with one more important, most expected question of class 10 science. This is most expected question in your board exam. Why sodium metal is stored under kerosene? Why we cannot store sodium in open air or in any open jar? This is the most expected and important question. Okay. Why sodium cannot be kept open in the air? Sodium is highly reactive element. Very highly reactive. As soon as it comes contact with the oxygen or even moisture, immediately it catches fire. It's very dangerous to keep sodium in the open air as it catches fire. So it cannot be stored in the open air or even in the jar where air is present. Okay. Then why sodium cannot be stored underwater? As we cannot keep it in the open air, why we cannot store sodium under the water? No. The reaction of sodium with water is highly exothermic. When sodium reacts with water, it forms sodium hydroxide, and in this reaction hydrogen gas is released. And we know that hydrogen gas is highly combustible gas. And as this reaction is highly exothermic, heat is released in this reaction. And the heat released in this reaction is sufficient to burn the hydrogen gas, which is highly combustible gas. So it is very dangerous to store sodium even under the water. So water is also not a good option to store the sodium. So the next option is sodium is stored under kerosene. Sodium do not react with kerosene. Cut off the contact of the sodium metal with the moisture, with the air, and it is safely stored under kerosene. So this is why sodium metal is stored under kerosene. So again here there are three important possible questions. Why sodium metal cannot be kept in the open air or in the jar which contains air? This is one question. Second possible question is why sodium cannot be stored in water? This is second important question. And the third question is why sodium metal is stored under kerosene? So these are the possible questions based on this. Again I repeat here, focus on the concept, forget about the questions. Just focus on the concept. If you are perfect in the concept, you can answer any type of question based on that concept. So hope this simple yet important concept is quite clear to you. And if it is clear to you, share this concept among your friends. And to get the updates of such interesting, useful, helpful videos, press the subscribe button. So my dear students, thank you so much for watching this video.